the alleged donation theft case. We're now learning that the Supreme Court has refused early hearing on the filed petition. The top court has stated that the matter will be heard after the court's vacation ends. Remember, a demand has been made to the Supreme Court for an SIT investigation into the case and urgent hearing of the matter as well. But we're tracking some latest updates on this matter as well. We're now learning that the Supreme Court has refused an early hearing on the filed petition. The top court has stated that the matter will be heard after the court's vacation ends. My colleague Sambhav Sharma with us on the broadcast to share further details. Sambhav, of course, early in the day, we heard that the matter was going to be mentioned today in the Supreme Court, but now we're learning that the Supreme Court has refused early hearing of the filed petition. What are you tracking?
This matter was mentioned before the Supreme Court two-judge bench. As earlier it was said by the Supreme Court that please mention the matter on Monday. So the matter was mentioned, and the latest update in this case is that the top court refused to hear this case on urgent basis because the petition was for an urgent hearing in the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court refused an urgent hearing in this particular case is what is the latest from the Supreme Court. However, the two-judge bench of the top court has said that it will hear the Supreme Court will hear the case after the vacation. So the vacations in the Supreme Court is ending on July 12. So probably after July 12, the Supreme Court likely to hear this particular case. So this case where the petition was filed in the Supreme Court alleging financial irregularities in the donation made in the Ayodhya Temple Trust, and also petitioners sought a special investigation team SIT under the Central Bureau of Investigation to investigate this whole case. And if we talk about the courtroom details, what happened inside the courtroom, the two-judge bench of Justice M.M. Sundaresh and Justice C. Lanagu is refused an urgent hearing in the case and said that please mention the matter, as in the Supreme Court will take up the matter after the vacation, because the vacations are getting over on 12th of July. So post 12th of July, the hearing in this particular case, in this alleged embezzlement of donation received at Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, in this particular case, the Supreme Court likely to hear the matter post July 12th.
All right, Sambhav, with that, I'd like to thank you for taking our time sharing all of those details. Of course, we will be keeping a close track of what will be going on in the Apex Court as far as this particular case is concerned post the 12th of July. In the meantime, we're tracking some other breaking updates. In the alleged Ram Mandir donation embezzlement case, Ayodhya Bar Association President Kalika Prasad Mishra has now stated that a meeting of the Faizabad Advocates Association will be held today to decide whether lawyers will defend the accused. He has stated that the association will take a collective decision on the matter and has added that a virtual hearing from jail is likely and may be preferred by both the administration and the bar. Listen in.
हाँ, वकील देखिए, हर व्यक्ति तो भगवान से जुड़ा हुआ है, उसकी अपनी भावना है जो कि हमेशा मंदिर वगैरह के पक्ष में रहती है। लेकिन ये जो भी कृत्य हुआ है, इस संबंध में भी चर्चा 10:30 पर होगी। अधिवक्ता संघ फैजाबाद में एक मीटिंग कॉल की गई है, वो 10:30 पर शुरू होगी, 11 बजे समाप्त हो जाएगी। इसमें वकीलों से विचार विमर्श आपस में किया जाएगा कि जैसे तमाम चीज़ें चल रही हैं, भाई वकील लोग इनको जिनको चोरों से उपमा दी।
Right there, of course, we've heard this soundbite of Ayodhya Bar Association President Kalika Prasad Mishra. He has stated that this meeting is being convened where the lawyers will decide whether they will defend the accused or not. Still with me on the broadcast is my colleague Varsha Shahi. Varsha, what are you tracking as far as this meeting is concerned?
अयोध्या प्रकरण चल रहा है उसमें अब इन आरोपियों की मुश्किलें और ज़्यादा बढ़ती हुई नजर आ रही है, क्योंकि अयोध्या बार एसोसिएशन की तरफ से साफ कह दिया गया है कि इन आरोपियों का केस किसी भी तरीके से जो वकील अयोध्या के हैं वो नहीं लड़ेंगे, क्योंकि ये राम से जुड़े हुए हैं और राम आस्था का केंद्र है, राम उनके भगवान हैं और उनके घर में चोरी करने वालों के पक्ष में अगर कोई भी वकील खड़ा होता है तो उसका सहयोग बिल्कुल नहीं किया जाएगा। और पूरी तरीके से पूरे बार एसोसिएशन और पूरे वकीलों की तरफ से साफ कर दिया गया है इस मीटिंग में कि कोई भी इनकी पैरवी नहीं करेगा। पूरी तरीके से अब इनकी 8 आरोपियों की मुश्किलें बढ़ती हुई नजर आ रही है और साथ ही साथ अब जो लगातार कोर्ट हियरिंग भी हो रही है वो वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के जरिए की जा रही है, क्योंकि वकीलों की तरफ से पूरी तरीके से मना कर दिया गया है।
All right, Varsha, with that, I would like to thank you for taking out time, sharing all of those details.